For my final build for Mark Rober's creative engineering class, I was challenged to make something that has mechanical and electrical components, hopefully with some coding involved in it. And so I'm also traveling to go see my family, and I'm standing in my dad's garage, which is a playground for anyone who makes things. Our original plan was to use a bicycle that I used to ride around in college. It was my hot rod. And that was what we were going to do was rig it up to where it would be a stationary bicycle. You'd ride it, and it had an analog speedometer that we coded and found the circumference of the wheel and had to calculate that. But it really didn't play out for us because I didn't have the parts, and we're out in the middle of nowhere, and it's hard to get anything shipped to us. So we decided, since we procrastinated a little bit, we had to do something with time. So our invention is just a study in time. The theme for this build was to reinforce a good habit or to break a bad habit. My bad habit of procrastinating is perfect for this project. What this is an hourglass that every 10 minutes a light bulb comes on. So if I set this and you say I need an hour to brainstorm for this next thing, or I need an hour to do this, I can actually have a timekeeping device that I turn this over and then I get to work and I can look back and see if there's something going on. But since this is a video, I wanted to make something that was a little bit easier to see the time going by. So every 10 seconds a light bulb will come on. The coolest thing about this build that I like is you've got the cool juxtaposition of the old technology and the new technology. So you've got the old minute glass, and then you've got the new digital minute bulbs, right? So you've got sort of a side by side of old versus new, which I like. I dig that kind of stuff. So it also kind of looks something pretty cool, like a flux capacitor or something. All right, but the idea here is you have coding that you can change in the Arduino, and I learned a lot about that by going in and coding the lights to come on every 10,000 milliseconds, which is 10 seconds. And here we go. The very last bulb will come on the moment that we lose the last of the sand. Bam. All right. And that, my friends, is a minute glass. Digital versus analog. It's been a really fun time creating things for the last 30 days in this creative engineering class with Mark Rober. I've really enjoyed everything that I've done. It's been really fun to have constraints that keep me kind of grounded and force me to think, to problem solve within a certain, my own limitations, as well as what the theme of the build is. So I'll definitely be taking a lot of the things that I've learned in this class into my own classroom space and helping my own students with the same kind of problem-solving skills that I've picked up. So it's been real, it's been fun, and it's been really fun. Thank you very much, and take care. Peace out!